I mean, the deals we are doing are usually not bigger than 60 million, and for that 50% financing, one bank is there just for that deal. So I don't know how it works for bigger deals. We're not doing any.
Yeah, definitely clubbing on anything larger than, I don't know, I'll throw a number out, anything larger than a loan requiring 75 to 100 million. I mean, it has to be clubbed. I mean, it's, so really what we're talking about, what we're all talking about is probably a small segment compared to what had existed before. But definitely on the larger transactions, and you've seen a couple. I mean, it's a club, and it's tedious to arrange. What you could arrange in 2 weeks in 2006, takes 6 months, right now. So it's pretty tedious.
I think the average gearing in our funds is below 20%, so 15% or so. So we get about 10 to 20 term sheets if we ask for at very competitive prices. But I could comment on new players coming up in the market, as we are part of a banking group with more than 800 cooperative or savings banks. We know that our colleagues in the banks are starting getting active on the lending side. It's smaller lot size because it's smaller banks, but they have no alternative in making money actually in their traditional business. So they start getting in with smaller sizes, and it's very local business. But if you could show, I agree with you, a team and ability and so, you get financing even in B and C locations with the smaller banks, because they know the markets there very well. So, and they want to make money.
When you look at big deals, insurance companies are more and more the places to look at. I mean, we look at the largest deal that was done in Germany last year, the Twin Towers of Deutsche Bank refinancing was done by Allianz. And you see more and more the insurance companies playing a major role, but they're very big cities, they can do big deals, but they want, obviously top tenants, long-term leases, so it's a pretty simple product for them. But they're quite aggressive in terms of pricing, and I think they're here to stay.